Good afternoon, dear students. I want to say you some recommendation about preparation for MCQ test. If you present in any class and any lecture during all semester, it's not so difficult for you prepare for test very well. At first, you need to use your conspect of lecture and as well as note about your independent work and practical class. Second, pay attention for definition and understanding some term in your test. All tests compose from 5 variants of answer. You need to pay attention for more detailed and full answer to question. Third, pay attention for syllabus. In all syllabus present some notes or link for video resource or internet resource. Number 4, be rest and relax day before test. Prepare your zachет book and ID card and come to exam in time. Don't discuss with your roommates and group mates during exam. Pay all your attention only for screen with MCQ test. If question not understandable for you, you possible go forward and come back for previous test if you complete next test. When you finish all tests, let's review previous answer and make conclusion. Are you complete all question in time or not? You have enough time to complete your test correctly because your MCQ test composed from 100 questions and duration 1.5 hours. Thank you for attention. Good luck.